Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are you starting your day with the wrong foods? Do you find yourself feeling sluggish and tired even after a full night's sleep? The key to unlocking your energy and optimizing your metabolism might just lie in what you're eating or not eating for breakfast. Believe it or not, these 5 common breakfast mistakes might be slowing down your metabolism. We're going to dive deep into the sneaky ways your morning meal, or lack thereof, could be sabotaging your weight loss goals and overall energy levels, and could be the reason you're gaining weight instead of losing it. It's frustrating to put in the effort and not see the results you want, and often the answer is simpler than you think. And wait till you hear number 5 because it's something most people actually think is healthy. You might be shocked to discover that your go-to breakfast choice is actually working against you. Let's jump into it. Mistake number 1, skipping breakfast. This is a big one, and it's more common than you might think. I get it. Maybe you're running late, or you think skipping breakfast is an easy way to cut calories. Life gets hectic, and sometimes breakfast feels like a luxury you just don't have time for. But here's the thing. When your body doesn't get fuel in the morning, it thinks it's in starvation mode. Your body is incredibly smart, and it's designed to protect you. That means your metabolism slows down to save energy, becoming less efficient at burning calories throughout the day, and you end up way hungrier later in the day. That initial calorie saving can quickly backfire. The result? You're more likely to overeat or snack on junk. Those cravings become almost impossible to ignore, leading to unhealthy choices. Number 2, sugary cereals and pastries. The ultimate convenience food, but at what cost? They're quick and tasty, but they spike your blood sugar. It's a roller coaster ride your body doesn't appreciate, only to send it crashing down a couple of hours later. That initial burst of energy quickly fades away. That crash means cravings, low energy, and reaching for more food. You're trapped in a cycle of sugar highs and lows. And the worst part? Even healthy options like granola or flavored yogurt are often packed with hidden sugars. Don't be fooled by clever marketing. Always check the nutrition labels. Mistake number 3, no protein or healthy fat. This is crucial for sustained energy and satiety. If your breakfast is all carbs, think toast, bagels, or plain fruit. While these foods provide some nutrients, they're missing key components. It digests super fast, leaving you feeling empty and unsatisfied. You feel hungry way sooner, and you're left looking for snacks before lunch. That mid-morning slump hits hard. Without protein or healthy fat, you don't feel satisfied, and that can lead to weight gain over time. It's a recipe for overeating and unwanted pounds. Number 4, drinking only coffee. A morning ritual for many, but is it enough? I love coffee as much as the next person, but relying on caffeine alone to start your day? It's a temporary fix, not a sustainable solution. It might suppress your appetite for a little while, but it sets you up for binge eating later on. That delayed hunger can lead to poor food choices. Plus, too much coffee can stress out your adrenal system, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. It's a vicious cycle of caffeine highs and energy crashes. And here's number 5, store-bought smoothies or juices. The seemingly healthy choice that can actually derail your progress. These always look healthy, but most are loaded with sugar and have barely any fiber. They're often glorified desserts disguised as health food. Because they're liquid calories, you don't feel as full, so you end up eating more overall. It's easy to overconsume calories without even realizing it. So what should you do instead? Let's talk about some simple swaps you can make for a more energizing and metabolism-boosting breakfast. Go for a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fat, and fiber. This is the magic formula for sustained energy and satiety. Think eggs with avocado, oatmeal with nuts and berries. These options provide a good balance of nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized. Greek yogurt, or even a homemade smoothie with protein powder and greens. Control the ingredients and reap the benefits of a truly healthy breakfast. Fix these 5 mistakes and your body will thank you. You'll notice a difference in your energy levels, cravings, and overall well-being. Here's to starting your mornings right and boosting your metabolism fast. Make breakfast a priority and watch your body thrive.